Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Co. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to do a really simple Valentine's Day inspired look. As you can see, I already have my base done. I'll link all the products I used in the description box below. We are going to go for like a pink mauve kind of a palette. I am going to be using my You Had Me at Hello palette from Colourpop. Use this in another video as well, so you can see nice there's some nice neutrals but also mostly like pinky mauve shades. And so yeah, let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start by laying down, making sure that there's no creases on my eyes. I did use just like concealer to prime my lids, and we're just gonna jump right on into the color here. And I'm going to go ahead and start working some color into my crease. And I'm going to grab a different brush here. I'm going to use a domed eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go right in here to this shade called DTR. Okay, so now that I have DTR in the crease, I'm going to go ahead and start working into a little bit more of those pink tones. So this one here looks very purple. That is FBO, but it actually has much more of like a pink tone to it. So you can see it right here. So I'm gonna again work that into the crease as well. Okay, as you can see, that added some nice depth in there. I also went ahead and worked it into the outer V, the outer corner of my eye as well, and as well as into the crease. And I'm just gonna keep it going now. And I'm taking a smaller domed shadow brush, and I'm gonna work right into here, into Fool's Rush. And I am gonna add that just over the entire lid to just darken everything up. Okay, so now that I have my base colors all laid down, I'm gonna go ahead and add a cut crease today. We're gonna get real crazy. I'm using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm actually gonna cut the entire crease. So you are gonna be erasing some of that shading you did, but really you just want all of that blending on your base before you go ahead and cut it. And in order to cut the crease today, I am also just gonna be using this flat eyeshadow brush from Ulta. So here we go, let's cut the crease. So a nice trick that I've learned by watching a lot of other YouTube videos, because I don't do cut creases that often, but is if you lay a little bit of your concealer down and then you look up, that's going to give you the line you need to follow for that cut crease. And as you can see, my cut crease is ready to go, and I think it kind of looks pretty just with the concealer on it, because you still get the nice pink from underneath showing through. But because it's for Valentine's Day, we're gonna get a little crazy. We're gonna add some glitter. So I am gonna be using two different shimmer shades. One from the palette, which is gonna be this shade right down here that is called The Knot. I'm going to be using that from the outer V right into not quite center of the eye, but pretty close. And I'm going to be applying that just with my ring finger. So I'm going to go in with another Colourpop glitter as well. And this one is one of their Super Shock formulas, and let me open this up. This is in the shade Polly. So again, it's a little bit lighter than the one we just used on the outer corners, but it also has a really nice gold pink flip to the glitter. And again, I just cleaned my fingers off. I'm going to use that same ring finger and apply that from the inner corner and then blend it into, what is it called again? The knot on that outer corner. So those two colors blended really nicely, I think. And now I'm just gonna kind of make sure everything's blended in really well. So I'm gonna go back in with my domed shadow brush and work back in again to FBO and just blend it all together. So now that we've got the shadow done on my top lids, I am actually gonna go ahead and do a nice cat eye. And for that, I'm gonna be using my Eyeko Fat Liquid Eyeliner in black. Okay, that's pretty even, so we're gonna go ahead and live with that. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line. So I am going to take that domed eyeshadow brush and work it into Fool's Rush right here and just work that underneath my lash line. I'm gonna use that same brush again and also go into FBO, which is that darker, more purpley shade, and put that again on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Alright, that looks pretty good. So on to mascara to finish off, well, pretty much finish off the eye look, and then I'm going to add some highlighter and lips as well. I just got this, actually, it's the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This is in Blackest Black, so I'm going to apply that on the top and bottom lashes, and I have not used this yet, so I guess we'll see how it goes. Ooh, that is like, I don't know if you can tell, but that is literally like just this teeny tiny little brush. I don't know, it says that it is supposed to be 60% longer lashes, so I guess we'll see. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. It's a little messy. Oh my god, the wand is like about to break just from like trying to put it back in the... I'm not impressed. So I know at the beginning I told you I already finished like my base makeup, so I have contour and some blush on, but I do want to finish with some highlighter, and I have a Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter here, and this is in 319B Blossom Glow. Whoa, so close. So that's in like, it's a nice pinky shade. There's like a little bit of like a periwinkle or lavender flip in there, so it's really pretty, and I think it'll look really nice with this eye. And I'm gonna add that with this ELF highlighter brush and just add that in the places I normally highlight. So that's it for eyes and face, and now we're just gonna finish off the lip, and I'm using the lip liner I use pretty much in every video. That's 951 from Colourpop, and I'm also going to be using a Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lip in Low Pump, and this again is just like a nice mauve. It'll look really pretty, I think, with the eye look. Okay, so that is the finished look. Nice mauve pinky look for Valentine's Day. Very romantic. If you like this video today, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would appreciate the support. And yeah, let me know, what are your plans for Valentine's Day this year? I'm sure that I will be staying in, as I usually do on Valentine's Day. Usually cook dinner and hang out at home, play board games. That's usually what we do. So share with me in the comments below what you do. And again, like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. Other than that, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.